Hello, doston. This is Anant here, and I'm really very happy that you have covered the basic level of tutorial, and now we are here in like advanced tutorial, and today we are going to discuss about advertisers postback and setup. Okay, so guys, today first of all like these are the things we are going to cover today. The first thing will be like offer url setup. Second thing, like what is postback, like what are the different types of postback. And third one will be like how to set up those postback, what is test link. The fourth option is, and then how to confirm that whatever the integration and all we have did, that is 100% correct, and we are ready to take the traffic from our publisher. Okay, so let's start one by one. So we are going to use these two campaigns. This is one campaign. Okay, and this is the second campaign we are going to use, that is 52 and 53. Okay, for testing. And I will just do all the things on these campaigns only. These both campaigns are available in demo, and you can see here. Okay, so just see here, manage. So if you go here, 52 and 53 both campaigns are there. Okay, so let's start with 53. So this is a test campaign, and I think it's in pending, it's showing. I will first of all make sure your campaign is active. Okay, because only active campaign can take the what, traffic. So campaign is set up now, and you can see here like we have like configured. Just let's talk about this particular campaign first. The campaign name is it's a bad credit loans. Okay, loan related campaign. Okay, this is the end url. This is the url which I have got from where, from my advertiser. Okay, this is the link, means this is my affiliate link from actually this is still here. Okay, still here, this is the link which I have got from my advertiser. Advertiser means my customer, or the network or anything. Like you are going to get this from, maybe he will be a direct advertiser, or in your case he may be a network. So you are going to get a link of this kind. So that's the one thing. And you can see like I have added something here. Okay, so these are nothing but tokens. So these tokens we have added with m%. So first of all we are going to let's start discussing offer url setup. Okay, so guys, once you are like, we have already discussed in offer setup so many things about these all the parameters of an offer. For the campaign url, because this is the main thing which is used by our tracking system to track the things, to track links, clicks, and all conversions. So first of all we will discuss on this particular offer url. So as I told, this is the link you have got. And after that we have this string we need to add. Okay, so how, on what parameters these strings are going to be added? So that's the thing. So guys, we have to first of all, if you see here, like these things, there is no issues in this, because this you will be directly getting as your affiliating from your like network or advertiser network. Okay, so there is no issue in that. All other details whatever you are getting here, these things also you are going to get. Even this preview url you are going to get from there, so we'll directly put over there. These all things what is your revenue. Like for me revenue is $20, and I want to pay my publishers $15. So I have kept 15 over here, right? So it says CPL campaign. So I have kept CPL. So many types of models are over here. I have already discussed about this in offer setup. So this is a CPL campaign. So I have selected CPL country. Like these are the countries. This is a normal campaign. So let's okay, fine. So maybe it's a US campaign, as name is saying US campaign. So I am just targeting it for US because it's a sample campaign. So nothing to for maybe for you, you have to use as per your requirement. Okay, so this is the thing. This is a public campaign, featured campaign. I want definitely this is something which you have to same IP conversion you want or you don't want, that you have to check. I am already told about all these things. Okay, so let's start with this. So guys, this is you are going to get from your advertiser network. So if you see here, I have added some string kind of this. So there are two parts. First one is S1 and S2 and S3. So this S2 and S3 are the parameters like which is used by our advertiser network. So this means suppose XYZ is the advertiser network name from where I have taken this link. So we need to reach them and ask them what is the on which macro. This is called macro, guys. So I need to ask with the affiliate manager or their concern manager or even in their system also. You if you see, then you can get the details like what are the different variables or different tokens on which they accept the parameters. Like if we our system want to send something to them, on which parameter, and there will be one parameter which will be accepting the transaction ID, guys. So we need to confirm that first. So transaction ID is must. Only the transaction will happen when we will pass our transaction ID to that variable, then only their system can track the conversion. So that's the first thing, that's the basic thing. Apart from that, you will be having a lot of other parameters. So here I checked with my in my case. So I checked with my aim or affiliate manager, what is your parameters for affiliate. So they told me like S2, S3, S4, S5, till S6. Okay, till S6. S6. They have these parameters available. And he told me we want transaction ID in S2. Okay, so guys, very very important thing and very tracking. This is the core thing. So you have to focus here. Our system generates a click id. This is our system generated click id, which is used as a transaction id. Okay, so click id must be passed whenever you are doing the like post this post back. What do you say? Like if you see here, we have three kind of tracking technology. So server postback in iframe pixel and image pixel. So right now we are talking about server postback. So if we are doing server postback, then it's must that these are the parameters we can use at our url end. Okay, so these things we can pass like click id, offer id, these things source, these all the things we can pass over there. Okay, but click id is must for integration. As I told, this is a unique click id generated by the system. So this is also treated by transaction id. So if you will pass this one to their variable, the conversion will happen. And these all other variables are it's completely on you. You want to pass, like if you want to pass the affiliate id from where you have got the which affiliate has given the, then that you can pass. like these are optional, like you can pass the offer id at your end, whatever the offer id you have configured. What is the offer name? So offer id. What is the source you can pass, like these things apps have many things are there. So these other parameters you can pass, no worry. But for if server technology, if track conversion technology is server postback, then it's must that you integrate at least this, just click id into the, like whatever the like their parameter to accept the click id. Who will tell this, that what is the their parameter? Definitely it will be written over there in their systems. You can get from your affiliate account, or you can confirm this by like your affiliate manager, like what is my uh, transaction on in which variable you accept the transaction id. You have to ask clearly. So they will tell, okay, my like variable name is transaction underscore id. Someone will tell, it's s2. Someone will tell, like it's completely dependent on the system, what system they are using. And based on that they will help you that whatever the name that they will tell. So you have to use over here. Definitely you have to concatenate with this string, like this you have created one. Apart from that, you can, like you can use other variables if you want, but as I told, these are optionals. Okay. So this was the case of like CPL campaign or something. So guys, in what happens in CPL campaign? CPL campaign, if you see here in CPL campaign, so in CPL campaign or these other like these campaigns, CPA, CPS, CPI, CPP, these all the CP, like these campaigns, basically we require postback, right? And good thing is here we configure the payout. Okay. So we are not worried, whatever is the like revenue is one fixed revenue is there. And that fixed revenue will be like uh, 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 means that you can put it over here. And like whatever the payout you want to pay, that will be over here. So that's very like simple. And there is no confusion over here. Suppose if your uh, so this is done. Okay. And this is the case of like normal CPL campaign. This we have already covered. And once this is done, the offer URL is done, you have created the offer. Okay, perfect. Second thing is, guys, like for revenue share campaign. So how we will do it for revenue? So what is revenue share campaign? So revenue share campaign is basically, so we will take the this 52 for that. Okay, let's go on 52 first. So we will go on offer number 52. We will see how this is. So this is also a test campaign, and it's a revenue share campaign. Okay, you can see here revenue is 80 something, it's written. Okay, no problem. So guys, what happens in revenue share campaign? You can see here, like its offer model is revenue share, and the offer technology is definitely the server postback. We are right now only talking about the server postback, guys. Okay. So here, what happens? Like advertiser send a amount with each transaction. Okay. Advertiser send a amount with each transaction. Okay, like sometime like with this conversion, like amount varies actually. Amount varies means like the payable amount will vary. Like suppose this time lead got sold in $10, next time the lead got sold in $20. The lead is more better, then next time it's sold in $200. Okay. So if you see here in previous pattern, lead was getting sold in $10 every time, or $20 every time. But here in the revenue share campaign, this is not going to be same every time. That's the beauty of revenue share campaign. If your quality is good, then this is really works well. So I think that is your part. You know better than me about the business. Now here we are more focusing how to implement the revenue share campaign. So amount varies every time, and here what you do, like you tell your publisher that I will pay you 80% or 50% or 70%, whatever the payout I will get from my advertiser. Okay, this kind of promise you do. So how you will configure for that? So definitely you are going to select revenue share campaign. Then in revenue you are going to specify your revenue, how much is your revenue. So whatever the advertiser is sending the amount, that is your revenue. So it's definitely 100%. And percentage amount, how much amount you want to share with your publisher, so that is like you want to share 80% every time. Okay guys, so this kind of settings will be here, definitely coming here. So guys, here, like, again, the things will be remain unchanged. Okay, like here, make sure you need the transaction ID for sure. And apart from that, you have to, like, uh, uh, you can pass n number of parameters. These are the like parameters available which you want to share with your advertiser. Okay, your advertiser. So that is, but here also the click id is must for conversion. If you are not going to pass the click id, the means the provide your advertiser is not going to get the transaction, means that conversion will not happen over there. So make sure like click id, passing click id into their respective where they want. You have to confirm it first from your affiliate manager, and then you have to put this particular string very carefully. Append, you have to append uh, after your affiliate link. Okay, apart from that, if you want to pass the additional data, then you can pass additional data, whatever the variables they have provided. Okay, for me they have provided s3, s4, s5, s6, s7. So I will pass n number of things like this. Like suppose I want to pass, like I can create something like this. So like this, s2, s3. So I will configure like this. Control C. I will do like this. So s3 till this it is done. I have copied this. Okay, so what are the variables I have? Like offer ID I have. So I want to pass the offer ID to my advertiser. It's okay. Offer underscore ID I will pass in S4, definitely different variable. Okay. Then I have source also. Okay. So I will pass in S5, I will pass the source. Okay, so whatever is my source, that will be like 6. What are the variables I have, like this f click or whatever, leave it. Okay, and this no one provides this much of data to their advertiser. Mainly people provide this affiliate id, so that they can know like which affiliate has sent this particular. And definitely click id is must. So these are the things, and no one is providing this kind of information. I means I have not seen, but we have given this opportunity. You, if you have so many things, then you can send those details to your advertiser. Okay, so that's the thing. In revenue share, we have one sell amount, sell underscore amount. One parameter is there. So like whatever the different variables are coming, those things we are capturing in the sell amount. Definitely for that we have postback stuff. I will share that with you. Okay, later on while configuring the postback stuff. Like postback, now we are talking about the URL. So this will be the URL. You have created your URL and you have to just place your URL into the offer. Okay, this offer has done, and now like this you have created a like a normal CPL campaign and revenue share CPL campaign. So you have to click on update offer. Okay, guys. So I think we have covered the offer URL setup. Okay, coming here, types of postbacks. Okay, so as I told, there are mainly two type of postback. One is for normal. Uh, I shown the two cases. Okay, so first one is like CPL, CPS, something like that. Those campaigns. So they are for these all models. I will show you once more. So CPL, CPA, CPS, CPI, CPB, CPD, CPR, CPE, all these till CPE. CPC don't require the postback. Okay, so we don't have to worry about the postback here at all. Okay, but again hybrid also. So for all these things we require the like postback for sure, and this will be just like CPL, so you don't have to worry about it. So this is one category, and second category is revenue share campaign. That's the reason I have taken two examples. Now see what is the difference in postback. So let's talk about the postback setup. Okay, so we have covered these two things. Okay, so there are two category. One is like fixed amount, amount one. So everything is fixed, like okay, advertiser has told like I will pay you $20 for one lead, one sales, one conversion, whatever. Okay, so I will pay you this one $20. You promise this to your publisher, so that like I will pay you $15. So things are very simple, so that I have already shown you in 53. And if it is revenue share, things got changed. Like every time the amount varies. Okay, and you say and like your advertiser like promise you like I will pay you this like variable amount, and based on the quality of the lead. And you say your publisher I will pay you 80% or 50% or whatever the percentage of my revenue. Got my thing? So this is the things are happening. So mostly this is two type of postbacks. Now how to like set up these postbacks? Okay, so let's see here. So here as I told, like you promise here, so 80%, 20%, 30%, whatever. So coming back here, if you go here, so guys, so just see here, offer details. So you have to open the offer in view mode. So offer. So how you will open the offer in view mode? Go on manage. Just do the like search for that particular campaign. So I have to search for 52. Okay, so first of all, I will go with simpler one. So 53, that is CPL campaign, the first category. So just click on that. So you will able to open it in view mode. So guys, we have these things. Postback slash tracking pixel. Okay. So this we have to. So guys, here we have two kinds of pixels. First of all, suppose one customer has given you 10 campaigns. One you have like got campaign uh, from one advertiser, like 10 campaigns you have got from one advertiser. So you want to set up pixel for every campaign, that's the one way. Or you just set up one pixel one sorry post back for that particular advertiser. So there are two options. I will confirm once more. like uh, you just set up different post backs for each offer. That's the one thing, many people need this. Okay, so in that scenario they will go with the offer level post backs. And sometime they require, like, okay fine, I don't want to do that much. I want to make the integration very simple. I Whatever the offer is, I'm not worried about it. You do the integration with the single global post back. Then you can in that scenario, most probably people use this one only. Very few people use the offer level post back. Okay, so these are the main again two types. Okay, based on offer and global for that particular advertiser. Okay, so just put here default if you don't have any other like slabs. Okay, if slabs are there, then definitely you will add, and that will come here. Okay, so now we are working on default event, so we will select the default event, generate the postback. Okay, so guys, this is the postback generated. Okay, this is the postback now. So how to how to so this is the thing. So this we have to give it to whom? Who will set up the postback? So this information we have to share to our affiliate manager. What he will do? He will take this one. He will change this one. This click ID. They will, like, as he has told me that my click ID is S2. So he will do like this. Okay, will do like this because he is taking the, like, whatever the click id we are sending from here, that is going into s2. So he will put here, and he will place the pixel. Once he will place the pixel. Okay, sorry, not pixel, this is postback. So once he will place the postback, then after that he will, like, ask you for test link. Okay, and that test link we need to share, and he will, like, fire those test link and confirm that you also like receive that lead, and he will also receive the lead. Okay, so what is test link? So before going to that, I just wanted to tell you one more thing. Like, this is for normal. Okay, this post back, whatever you have configured, you have like created this for normal cases. Actually, normal means cpl, cpp's, all those things, like first category. But what about the second category? Second category was revenue share. So guys, if you just read here, to track the sale amount in revenue share campaign, use sale underscore amount. Okay, so sell underscore amount, this variable we have given. Okay, and that need to be, like, configured over here. Okay, so again, what is there, on which parameter they are like sending, we need to ask from them. Okay, so sell underscore amount is our variable, so definitely on this post back it will be like our variable are in, like, left hand side. So this will be on left hand side, and this you have to give like this. You just send it to them, and they will configure, like, replace it. Like, if you like payout or something, you just write here payout, and they will change with their variable, like something. Okay, so like this. So your here it is, like their transaction id or click id, transaction id, whatever this is, I am writing just because they are going to change it. Okay, this is their parameter, this is, and this is. So as I you can see here, for our system, if you see, like, normal, the first category, This will be the parameter, because that time we don't require sell amount. Everything is fixed, we have already configured, and it's not required. Second time, this is the thing. Okay, so what happens, just suppose what, there is one scenario. One particular advertiser is with you, one network. Suppose you have taken one network. Okay, you have taken the affiliate account from one network, and they are giving you like 10 campaigns. Out of that, 5 campaigns are normal campaigns like CPL, CPS, or something, and 2 or 3 campaigns are revenue share campaign. Okay, so you have both kind of them, and you want to set up only one post back with them. Then what you will do? Definitely, guys, strictly go with this one, blindly go with this one, because this is already the subset. Okay, this is already there, so this will work. And we are adding this one, so if we will add this one with them, then it will be also work for those campaigns, and also work for the revenue share campaign. So I hope this we have to just share it with our affiliate manager, because we don't much know much about this. So it's better just send them. And even in your affiliate account also, there will be some option, like you can configure set up the global to post back, or set up the post back. So from there also you can do. But always suggested is if the means advertiser is available with affiliate manager, then just hand over this to them, let them configure it, and just send them the uh, like uh, uh, testing links, and he will test the things. Okay, so this is done. Third thing is like uh, uh, how to get the paste link, because we have to also share, we have to send the two things. First one is postback or global postback, and second one is test link. So how to get the test link? So test link is basically a link of one affiliate. So you have already configured it. Okay, that's very nice. What you do, you just go here. Okay, take any affiliate, take this link, just directly send it, but make sure if that particular campaign is approved, if that particular campaign is not require approval. Okay, require approval. If it is private, or if it is like ask for permission, then first approve that particular. How you'll approve it? You have to add the, like from here, offer applications. So go here, offer applications, add new applications. Okay, so here approve that. So affiliate that particular offer, and here approve. So one row will be added over here. Then what you have to do, you have to just take the what, link of that particular affiliate, and send it to advertise. That is the test link. So what he will do, first of all, your aim will set up the postback. Okay, this postback whatever you have given, so these things they will set up, and whatever the affiliate link you have, send it to him. Okay, so just go back. So like this, suppose 53 or 52, whatever. So this one, so we have taken it from here. Okay, this is the test link. So we will write like this. Like this is my postback. I will write global postback. Better. So if there is only one postback you want to write global postback. And based on that, what you global postback, and this is the test link. Okay. So these things you will share with your affiliate manager. So once you will share this, he will set up this first, and then he will fire this particular test link. So he will fill the leads and all, and then one lead will show you at your dashboard. So here you should see a conversion, and also you have to go and see in your affiliate account, like there also it should show. So if it is showing there and if it is showing here, well, definitely there it will show. Problem is like it should show here in your system. So if it is showing on both places, means the integration has done without any issue. It's working fine, and like this you will confirm that your integration is correct. Okay. So guys, like in this particular advanced tutorial, I have like tried to cover like what are the offer URLs, okay, how to set up the offer URLs, type of postbacks, okay, and postback setup, okay, test link, and all this. If one thing I have missed, I hope, because if you see, we have only covered one thing, that is post blue, like S2S postback. So I will give you one idea about the iframe also. Okay. So like just see, I will just change this one to iPhone. I will change the technology of this particular campaign, and I will, yeah. So suppose iframe and image both are works similar. So I'm taking like image. Okay, if suppose that particular advertiser don't have the any system installed or something, or he's not much like he's not in position to do postback, server postback, then in that scenario, like image pixel is going to help mostly, like direct advertiser, all direct advertiser, not all, direct advertiser as are using this. I have seen, if they are on a smaller scale or something, they don't have a system, like tracking system, they need to use this kind of, even their system may be like older, then they use this one. So like suppose it's a revenue share or something, I am taking it on revenue share only, because if I will check, I will do the revenue share, then it will be like done for both. So again, friends, here we have to go for getting the postback or tracking pixel. So here default, okay, generate. So just see guys, so this particular pixel is like this. Okay, so this is like image pixel. Image pixel is looks like this. Okay, again, like suppose this is a revenue share campaign, as I told, revenue share campaign is the, so the same thing here, sell amount is there. Again guys, like if you are using the image pixel, then transaction id is not required. So transaction id is only required, or it's a mandatory parameter when you are using the which technology, S2S postback. Okay, postback. If you are using the like this image pixel, you don't require the transaction id. So this will be the main this one. If it is like 10%, you don't have to use. So this will be the, this is going to be the like your uh, image pixel. So if you see, here we are saying global postback or postback. Now this name like when we are using image, this one image pixel technology, then the name got changed and it's used, we call it like image pixel. Okay, so this is the difference. And here, in both scenario, sell amount is there, and definitely they are going to change with their parameters. In both scenario, you have to send the image pixel, and test link in this scenario you have to like give it to your a, if they are using uh, image pixel technology. Okay, so they will check, they will come, they will fire the pixel test link and feed the lead. Okay, and at the end of the day, it should be reflected in their system and your system. Okay, so here we have very beautifully finished this integration, and hopefully like you have uh, understood this. Thank you very much, thanks a lot, thanks for listening.